Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
And today, we are going to sew a pomegranate dress, midi dress, semi-fitted silhouette, with long sleeves, asymmetrical at the front, with a tie at the waist. There are slits in the side seams and darts at the back. The neckline is finished with a sewn-on piping. For sewing the garment, you will need the patterns, knitwear as the main fabric, extra lining fabric, interfacing tape, matching thread and sewing supplies. As usual, you can download the PDF pattern of this garment below the video in the description box. Let's get cutting. It's highly important to decate the fabric before cutting to prevent it from shrinking during sewing. We lay out the patterns on the fabric observing directions of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns, and trace the patterns along the counter. Do not forget to transfer all control marks onto the cutting pieces. So, cut the pieces. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list. You need to have these pieces from the main fabric: front piece, back piece with a fold, sleeve 2 pieces, left belt 1 piece. For the lining, you need a neckline band piece. Do not forget about the pieces where we need to interface the allowances. These are the front piece, interface the allowance of the slits, the back piece, interface the allowance of the slits and of the shoulder seams. To sew this garment, we use woolen knitwear. You can use knitted fabrics of average density and good stretchability. We'll start with the back. Transfer the location of the darts from the inside to the back piece and stitch them. After stitching, press the darts towards the center. View from the wrong side. View from the right side. We're moving to the front. Fold the one-piece belt onto the front pieces, with the right sides facing inward and overlock, starting from the end of the belt and finishing at the side cut. press. Let's sew the neckline. Place the front on the back face to face and sew the shoulder seams. Iron the seam allowances onto the back. Press the neckline band lengthwise and in half with the wrong side inward. Then sew the band into a ring face to face. Press the seam allowances apart. Place the band face to face with the dress neckline and stitch at 0.5 centimeter. This is what you should get. Fold the band to the wrong side and press, straightening the piping from the front. Top stitch at 0.1 centimeter along the edge of the band. This is what you should get. Press the neckline. And finally, the assembling. Prepare the left belt by folding it in half with the right sides inward and stitching it on an overlocker. Turn the belt inside out and press it. Place the left belt on the left side of the back with the fold facing up, aligning the notch, and secure with a sewing machine stitch at 0.5 centimeter. Sew the sleeve into the open armhole by folding the sleeve cap with the armhole of the dress right sides together and stitching it. Press the seam allowances onto the sleeve. Overcast the slits and the bottom of the dress, starting and finishing the overcast stitch 10 centimeters above the slit. Place the dress right sides inward and stitch part of the side seam on a sewing machine, starting the stitch 5 centimeters above the slit. Press the side seam apart on this section and press the side allowances and the bottom of the dress. Fold the dress right sides together and stitch the sleeve and side seam together with one seam. Smoothly bring the stitching together in the slit area. Iron the seam allowances onto the back. Iron the sleeve bottom. Overcast. Stitch with a double needle or on a cover stitch machine. Iron the seam. Top stitch along the slits and along the bottom of the dress. Press. Now you can press the ready garment.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.